Okay, kami po ang inyong resident PBA Exterminators para ngayon sa gabing ito. At kasama ang Joey, ito na, another challenge para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. Ito na kaya ang Coca-Cola Tigers ang makapagpigil dito sa ratsyada ng Pure Foods.
Yan ang gusto natin malaman, Richard. Pure Foods 5-0, pinakamagandang umpisa sa kanilang prangkisa, sa history ng kanilang franchise. 5-0, looking to extend it. Kita natin na the top of the standings, Pure Foods, ang Coca-Cola. Medyo nasa bandang ilalim, 1 win, 3 losses. Gusto nila makaangat, so kailangan nila malaman kung ano bang dapat gawin para matalo itong mga higante.
Ang tanong ito, sino ba yung mga naging biktima nitong Pure Foods TJ Giants? Yung una nilang 5 laro, kung saan lahat yan pinataupo nitong Pure Foods TJ Giants. Of course, nauna dyan against the Santa Lucia Realtors.
Santa Lucia, opening game nila, tinapak-tapakan nila isa-isa itong mga kalaban. Kasama na doon, Talk and Text Magnolia, bigatin ng mga kalaban. At recently, well coached, pati na rin itong Barangay Ginebra. Tinambakan nila.
Kapansin-pansin, lahat ng games na yan, wala man lang naka 100 points dyan sa mga nakalaban ng Pure Foods TJ Giants. At ngayon nga, naghahanap tayo ng mga ahente. Hindi pala, mga agent dito. At ngayon, ikaw nga, Agent Joey. Ito na ang paper trail na kailangan nating subaybayan. Paano ba matatalo itong Pure Foods TJ Giants ng Coca-Cola Tigers?
Well, base sa ating mga investigasyon, Richard, madali lang yan. Madali sabihin, mahirap gawin. James Yap, 2005-2006 MVP, leading the team in scoring almost 24 points, kailangan malimitahan. At, syempre, sunod dyan, yung rebounding nitong Pure Foods. Number 1 sa buong liga, almost 58 rebounds a game. Lalo sa offensive rebound, ang lakas. Kailangan maka-rebound ng Coke. And finally, intensity and physicality. Kita naman natin, sobrang intense, sobrang physical. Parang bumagay ang mga rules dito sa mga player ng Pure Foods. Kailangan mapantayan ng Coca-Cola ito.
Yun na nga, napakahirap, napakadaling gawin, pero napakahirap naman napakadaling sabihin pala, napakahirap naman gawin. At yan, malalaman natin kung magtatagumpay nga itong Coca-Cola o magtutuloy ang ratsyada ng Pure Foods. Makikita po namin yan. Sana, mamaya, pag tinanggalan namin ang aming mga shades. And at this point, pupuntahan natin itong isa natin kasamang another exterminator on the floor, Dominic Uy.
Thank you, Agent Richard at Agent Joey. Ito nga Pure Foods TJ Giants, alam natin na wala pa silang talo, 5-0. Pero sabi nga ni Coach Ryan Gregorio, hindi namin iniisip to set records. We're not here na maging unbeatable. Sabi niya, we focus on every game. Gusto nila ma-focus yung kanilang panalo. At paano sila nananalo is they break it down in quarters. Sabi nila, pag nanalo ka per quarter, doon ang reward mo ay yung panalo, yung W pagdating na end of the game. Sabi ni Coach Ryan, more than anything, gusto nila makipag-compete. Sabi nga ni Agent Joey kanina, yung intensity, yun ang key para dito sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. Agent Richard, Agent Joey, back to you.
Thank you very much. Ahente ng...
Ano ba binibenta nito? Dominic.
Lahat yan, binibenta. At, well, yun na nga, pinag-uusapan natin itong Pure Foods TJ Giants, an amazing 5-game winning run. At focus nga raw nila. Sinasabi nga ni Coach Ryan, there's still no need to jubilate or to celebrate. At to take a look at the starting 5 naman, itong Coca-Cola Tigers, itong 5 to, ang maatasan ng unang misyon, stop the Pure Foods TJ Giants on their tracks.
Sabi naman ni Coach Ryan, Richard, they're not taking any team for granted. Talagang kahit anong team dito sa ating conference is capable of beating the top teams. So talaga pinag-aandaan nila itong Coca-Cola.
Well, yun naman talaga, no? If you're a team, wherever you are in the standings, pagkakalaban mo yung top team, talagang may special inspiration, special motivation. Gusto nyo, ikaw yung una magpatumba dun sa leader. Pero nagpinti si Mark Clemens Talan here, the second chance opportunity para sa Coca-Cola Tigers. Coca-Cola Tigers naman, gusto nila matigil rin yung kanilang own 3-game losing skid after their opening game victory against the Wellflow Dragons.
Mark Telan missing back-to-back layups unang offensiva nitong Coca-Cola. Kita natin very aggressive si Telan attacking the basket in charge, pero wala pang resulta so far.
Well, ito may maagang offensive foul against RD Laro, kaya naman may pagkakataon dito ang Coca-Cola Tigers to draw first blood ito sa ating laban. Inside, dito sila nagpunta kay Alitig against Romela Ducol. He goes up. Ducol has been a power off the boards para kay Coach Ryan. Pass intended naman para kay Kirby Raimundo. Deflected by Mark Clemens Telan.
Nakita natin, Richard, Pure Foods first offensive possession. Talagang gustong tumakbo. Fast break ang hinahanap nitong first option of Pure Foods.
James Yap, first attempt is no good. Lead pass to Tolomia. Tolomia goes up to palpalang inabot kay Roger Yap. Counter pass break naman para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. Quick jumper para kay Kirby Raimundo. Breaks the ice.
Kirby Raimundo, Richard, one of the versatile players. Can play inside, outside. That time, medium range jump shot para sa kanya.
Nabagnot, nice fake. He loses the leather. Ito na ngayon. Fast break play for Pure Foods. Romel Adupol. Pasa na deflect. Here's John Arrigo. Sinalubong ni Roger Yap. Ali Peak. Goes baseline against Raimundo. Bagging bodies. Pero may help defense doon. Si Roger Yap. So, hindi madali ang buhay para dito si kay Ali Peak na simula pala ng ating laro.
At tawagan ng foul, Richard. Dead. Actually, hindi pa na-inbound ang bola. There's a foul away from the ball. Nakausap natin si Mr. Perry Martinez ng PBA. And they're trying to tighten up yung mga contact away from the ball, Richard, para malesen yung mga useless na foul.
And RD Larang is fast to guard. Ito si John Arrigo. Here's Cabagnot for 3. Abang, malamig pa si Alex Cabagnot. James Yap against Tolomia. Roger Yap signaling the play. Gusto pumoste si Adupol. Muntik makawala. Pero bago siya makawala, kinapitan muna siya ni Ali Peak. Para kanya unang foul of the ballgame.
Pure Foods pinupuntahan dito si Romel Adupol sa poste. Feeling nila mismatch in height, no? Dahil si Ali Peak standing about siguro 3 inches shorter. Pero malapad naman si Ali Peak.
Laro. Tumira and in out. Lead pass to Arrigo, deflected by Roger Yap, recovered by Arrigo. Chester Tolomia, strong drive. Walang napuntahan. Ali Peak finally getting his first bucket of the ball game. Tabla po tayo ngayon at 2-all. Kailangan early on mamatch ng Coca-Cola Tigers ng intensity. Itong Pure Foods TJ Giants. Ito na naman si Adupol pumapose against Ali Peak. And this is going to be the second foul on Ali Peak. Alam mo, pag itong si Ali Peak ma-foul trouble ng maaga, malaking problema yan para kay Coach Mickey Pagin.
Yes, siya yung leading scorer nung kanilang pupunan. Almost 16 points a game. Leading rebounder din, Richard, at almost 13 rebounds.
Running off a great ball game for 19 points. Oh, and this is the third foul kay Ali Peak. Barely 3 minutes gone in our opening quarter. Tingnan ulit natin nangyari dito. Adupol making a move. Pero may tulak raw. Naku, naupuan pa yung mukha doon ni Romel Adupol.
Yes, nawala kasi yung bola, Richard, kay Adupol. Kaya kailangan tumawag ng foul pag may bangga at nawala ang bola.
So, early problem para kay Coach Binky Favis. Here's Arrigo. Cabagnot to the corner kay Tolomia. Strong. And no choice kay Coach Binky Favis but to substitute. Ito si Ali Peak. Mark Isip coming in. And malaki kagad ang mawawala dyan para sa Coca-Cola Tigers. Ito naman si RD Larong. Magiging pangatlo na rin niyang foul to. Masyadong padikit depensa.
Mahabol na rin kay Ali Peak sa number of fouls. No? RD Larong, third foul. Magandang set play of the baseline inbound, Richard. Nalibre si John Arrigo, making his first free throw.
Wala nga, no? Tough task for the rookie ng Pure Foods TJ Giants to try and contain yung shooter ng Coca-Cola Tigers. Split from the line. Roger Yap against Alex Cabagnot. Looking for James Yap. Tightly guarded by Tolomia. Nakawala si James Yap. Wala pa rin. And Raimundo with a putback. 4 points para dito kay Kirby Raimundo.
Matatawagan ng delay of game warning to si RD Larong.
So right away, pagkalabas ni Ali Pig, no, makikita mo na kaagad yung epekto